Good morning, good moments, good light, and good wonder, way showers. There are many signs and symbols and songs and messages within all living, breathing things on earth, everywhere. And even the plants and the animals that you do hear. And do recognize. There are a million more you do not. One of the biggest messages we receive from nature is not only sound, but symbolism, sacred geometry, sacred circuitry. And if we remember that we create our reality and that every single atom and cell in our creation is created with us, by us, and for us in a harmonic, symbolic co-creation, you begin to understand, truly feel the messages in the sacred circuitry and the sacred geometry that surrounds us every day. Everything is a message. Everything. Every stone, feather, anything that calls to you belongs to you. Even an old shoe in the middle of the woods is a message. And just like dreams, they cannot be interpreted for the same person. They are your messages and yours alone. Specific and unique to your harmonic vibration, your frequency, your signature, your unique prism of color and light and sound and understanding. And these change as we change. The symbols and sacred geometry changes in our universe as we change our frequency. For everything changes moment by moment by moment. Traveling through parallel mirror realities, so similar but yet so different. So understand that all the sacred symbols, the fallen trees, the crosses and the circles, and the squares and the diamonds, all messages. Everything is light language. Every swirl and scroll and twist of leaf and vine is a message, is a light language. Everything is filled with light and code and messages. Everything has sound that we hear with the senses we do not yet understand. We absorb this light and this code and these sacred circuits and geometry. Always absorbing, feeling, seeing. Now begin to see it with intention. Look for them, find them, feel them, speak with them. Interact with your environment. Interact. Ask the orbs to come visit. They will. They do. Invite. They must be invited. Invite them to be captured. Invite the wood nymphs and the sprites and the light sprites. Invite them into your world. Invite them into your cameras. They're here to be excited with us and expand with us. And as our frequency raises, as your frequency raises, you begin to see and feel more and more of these beautiful light entities, these higher dimensional entities, orbital beings of love and messages, and from several collectives, not just one, the avian, several of the light collectives, many species we have not begun to understand, the LEI, the L, there are more dimensions and more frequencies than we can begin to imagine. If you could even begin to count the grains of sand or the leaves that fall in the forest, that can't even begin. They can't begin to express. Imagine, just imagine, all the species that live just on this planet and those that we are not even aware of yet. There are millions that survive on this planet that we have not even begun to discover. Therefore, we can only begin to imagine. As you see all the branches crossing, we can't even begin to imagine the vastness of all the civilizations and all the timelines and all the records, everything that feeds everything. And you are a part of this, have access to all of this, all of them. Invite them into your world, into your dreams, into your day, into your night. Bring them into your daily routines. Everything you do, they're there. Invite them. See them, feel them, touch them. Hear the conversations. They're with you. They're with us. In all the sacred geometry, there's codes and messages feeding your soul and your cells and your being, expanding and growing your awareness of your multidimensionality. That you are many, 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 many things and peoples and species, and everything is speaking to you in a language of light. Everything is a language of light. You and we and all are color and light and sound and frequency, and you vibrate. At different colors and different lights and different frequencies, yet your core, unique, harmonic vibration never changes. You are identifiable as all things are identifiable. Inapusa tariyama salawahanu akasha. Sinupula hasani kiturukua shana kotala palayasa numuna neakato. Mimosa sapalia tarkisa nonasa sapalia tarukoya nianomaku. Misonoasa. Allow yourselves to feel this expansiveness. Allow yourselves to consciously listen, feel, hear, see the languages around you. In all structures, all nature, all buildings have all been constructed by you, for you. Siha, messages from your universe, the multiverse, reminding you of your connectedness, reminding you that these symbols are with you, always in your awareness and your creations, a part of you. Niyamatula katia masotoro kurabushana. Tiputuru ko sa palayantara kila hinanoake payu onaha. Onahi polaha kia tarakoin bayu shohama. Ona ino anta kia po anta. Oyanturu ko sa payanayana koya tarukuamba. Mi turu ki ambo so po hianta ki. Sisi ala hiana namba sia toro ko embo ya hiana ni aku. O toro ko ya palianta ki ala de ko so piantiara. Hosoria sa palianta ka olea. Ono hona. O moho sa polea ki atarakila. Ahana ki ko ya polehesa sa pika na wo. O shunu asana. In your numbers, your time, your numerology, your birth dates, there is vibration and sound. There is frequency and love and light codes in every creation, every number, every symbol, every sign, every circuit. Imotodo kwamboshaya. Asuso bahia nanoa satora hishana. An endless stream of information from source. Imotodo kapia la hisiana koyapoya. Misoturkoya natu. O hena bokoya tarukoso pleata de kika. Tutu so sopaheta de kia playa nanakoya tarukosopola. Iahayana koya tarukoshayana koya pleata de kipoyana. Visit your world intentionally. Isotoriki pleanta de kia bayando koya poyana. Mosohaya shanaki. Be in the here and the now, in this now, and every now. And feel and see and hear the symbols and the sounds and the signs and the harmonic songs around you, through you, for they are energy and you are energy and you are all melding. You are a melded song of creation. It is not this or that, it is this and that, intertwined. Understand it is a part of you and you are a part of it. Every molecule is a part of every molecule. There is no separation. Begin to truly feel and understand and comprehend. You are not separate.